Alright guys, today we're going to do a review on Bosch distributor cap and Bosch ignition rotor. If you don't already know, my name's John Murphy and this is my channel, Carolina Crawler. We're going to be doing the review on my 1987 Toyota pickup, so let's get started. Alright, what you're going to need to take that distributor cap off is I'm using a screwdriver with a 15/16 inch drive on the end. It is super nice because you can just take it and slide it right in there, unscrew it, and take your distributor cap off. There's only 2 screws. I'm going to show you how to do that now.
Alright, as I've already said, to take your ignition rotor off, it's very simple. You're going to to get to it, you have to take this one off, this screw right here. This also goes for taking off the distributor cap. There's one, as you can see. And slide through these wires here and get to your second one. Alright, now that that's off, as you can see, we can pull it straight off, and there's your ignition rotor. I'm not going to mess with the ignition rotor, because to replace it, it's perfectly fine, but mine is perfectly fine, does not need to be moved. To time your vehicle, you have to mess with that, so if yours is fine, I wouldn't mess with it. But to replace it, you just pull it right off, put the exact same thing back on in the exact same place. It'll only go on in one direction, so you don't have to worry about messing it up.
Alright you guys, as you can see, I have mine put back on. It's a very simple 5-minute job, if that. All you have to do is be able to locate your distributor cap, and inside of that is your ignition rotor. Locating your distributor cap should not be a problem. You just look where its spark plug wires go into. They're going to go into the ignition rotor and distributor cap, and they're going to go into the block. Don't pick the block side, pick the distributor cap side, and you shouldn't have a problem locating it. And my initial review on these Bosch items, distributor cap and ignition rotor, love them. They're making my engine run a lot better and a lot more sound. I haven't had any problems out of it. They got my first cylinder firing back again because it was all corroded on the originals. So that is absolutely awesome. I cannot remember the price of it right now on how much they were to replace. I think it was about $17 total, but I'm going to put a link to them in the description below. Alright, thank you for watching on Carolina Crawler. My name's John Murphy. I'll see you next time. Alright you guys, so as most of you know, this project is not free for me. I am paying it all out of either my pocket or a tiny fraction of it might come from my parents' pocket, depending on if they decide to help me or not. So this is basically just to tell you that if you would like to make a donation, this is not required out of anyone, of course, but if you would like to make a donation to help me out, my Venmo will be in the description below. All donations are greatly appreciated, from $1 to any given amount. So if you want to make a donation, like I said, Venmo is going to be in the description below. All donations are appreciated. You guys please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And I'll see you next time on Carolina Crawler.